Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix WWE 2K26 game not launching or won't launch issue, crashing issue or crashes at startup, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4, and after following the 4 steps, you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check if your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here follow the steps. The first step is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear WWE 2K26 cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for WWE 2K26 game and highlight it. Then press menu and then select manage game and add-ons and then click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you do not have this feature in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general, network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now after following all these 4 steps, then you can go ahead and launch WWE 2K26 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to remove and re-add accounts. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account and after adding your account, you can launch the game and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab, select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings, select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Fix 4 is to run WWE 2K26 game from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type WWE 2K26 in the search bar and click on it and then click on launch game and then check. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab, select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in the secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to simply uninstall WWE 2K26 game from your Xbox console, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve WWE 2K26 game not launching or won't launch issue, crashing problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.